Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph. Today we're looking at 6 Metaverse crypto coins with huge potentials and are right now undervalued. That means if you buy right now, you can even get in at a better price, but the potential for 2023 is tremendous. And so this is actually a very important video, because if you can make yourself a list of some Metaverse coins, some DeFi coins, some some of those foundational coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you build your portfolio in the right way, when the market starts running up in 2023, you're going to make huge gains. And so today we want to list 6 coins that we think is going to go really up. Now, before we get into the list of 6, I want to ask Dion, what is your favorite 3 Metaverse coins that you like to trade and you like to stock up on?
I've got a few, but the ones I like is Mana, Sand, and Gala. Those 3 are really nice. Actually, Alice also. I love Alice. Alice has always been doing well for us as well. So those 4.
Okay, yeah, that is awesome coins. So my 3 favorite coins, just from a fundamental point of view, not from a trading point of view, is the ape coin. Will probably be my first. Just when I read up about the ape coin and I see what they're doing and what's the potential, I think there's tremendous potential in the ape coin. And then of course Sandbox. Sandbox has always been a really, really strong coin of me. When I DCA and then Decentraland, the Mana coin, it's an awesome coin. So that would be my 3 favorites from a DCA. From a fundamental point of view. Of course, when we look at from a DCA point of view, the coins that does the best is these obscure coins that, when you search, you can't even find any information about it on the internet, but they're making money. So I try to just keep like 5% of my money trading all of these unknown coins, But I try to be able to handle at least the 80% drop on those. Alright, so we're gonna look at a list that was compiled by Altcoin Daily. And they say they got the top 6 undervalued Metaverse crypto projects with big potential in 2023. Let's watch this together, and I want to know from you, if you can write for me in the comments, what is your favorite Metaverse coin that you like to trade? Enjoy it.
For the first solid pick, for me personally, it's ApeCoin. It's the native currency for the other side. It's, you can buy Bored Apes, Mutant Apes, the Kennel Club, and all that, whatever the ecosystem that is Yuga, ApeCoin is accepted. And so to me, that's my number 1 pick. But really how I broke this out is the tops, right? It's ApeCoin, it's Sandbox, and it's Decentraland. To me, those are going to be the top 3 metaverses, at least, maybe over the next little bit here on Ethereum. For the first solid pick, like literally for me, it's ApeCoin because of the other side. But depending on your profile and what you like and aesthetics and what looks good to you, it's either Sandbox or Decentraland. I think that, for anybody to make that their top pick, any one of those, you're not going to go wrong. Obviously, if you do look at the file sizes of Sandbox and what's going to be happening to file sizes in cloud computing in the future, coins like Filecoin are almost a no-brainer. However, it's like a 1 billion dollar market cap. I found one called Crust Network. Every Friday in my house, I have pizza. So one Friday was looking for pizza-themed cryptos, and I found Crust Network. And then I started looking at it more. I'm like, wait a second, this is actually smart. This is like Filecoin, but with a much smaller market cap. And I think it's got something like, I don't know how many tokens are in it, but it's built on Polkadot. It's in that same realm of the file storage and cloud computing. So like, think about the file sizes for Sandbox. I mean, those things are massive. You need a supercomputer right now to run that. But that's why you harness cloud computing. And I think that's going to be a big bet in the future. So, we talk about the solid picks and the degen picks. The solid pick there would be Filecoin, but the degen pick is Crust Network for sure. Yeah, we'll go with a few more. So like, obviously you need a decentralized exchange for anything that you're doing when you get into the metaverse, whether it's a metaverse where you're going to earn coins in their ecosystem or whatever. So for me, that's PancakeSwap. I think, anytime that you convert anything over to a BEP20, I think that it's faster, cheaper, and then you can get back into your ERC20s or, whatever blockchain that you prefer. But so I think you got to have in your stack a decentralized exchange that you are invested in, because that's kind of the way the future is, decentralization. Now, a couple other picks that I'm looking at, another building is MetaHero. They've partnered up with Everdome. To me, Everdome, that's the metaverse that will set above them all with the hyper realistic. Let me ask you a question. When you go into the metaverse, say you're going to talk to your grandparent or you've got a business meeting, do you want to talk to a purple dinosaur or do you want to talk to a person?
I would love to talk to my grandparent in any sense. They're dead.
Same. Well, yes, same with mine.
But to answer your question, rest in peace. I want to talk to the real person.
Yeah. And so that's why I feel like, that hyper realistic metaverse is really going to set itself up in a different level once we get to that point. So being said, MetaHero, what they're doing is really putting a big focus on high level HD scanning of in-game assets, avatars, all that kind of stuff. So to me, I think that just, even on like a B2B level, that's going to be way above what you're seeing some of the other, voxel studios put together. And again, that's that blocky pixelated style.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Dion. This is some good information. I sometimes wish I had a little bit more money that I can buy more of these coins. There's so many good coins to buy, but you need money to buy them. So, but we're gonna stock up, and we're going to be very wealthy and very rich in 2023 after all of these coins went up. Thanks, Dion. Have an awesome day, guys. See you in the next session.
Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Cheers,